Let me hear another one for you. A President Santorum might face. The Pentagon today is easing roles on women taking a frontline role, some frontline roles in combat as medics, as people involved in communications, perhaps opening the door to a broader role ultimately for women in combat. Good idea or bad idea?
I don't, look, I want to create every opportunity for women to be able to serve this country, and they do so in an amazing and wonderful way, and they're a great addition to the, and have been for a long time, to the armed services of our country. But I do have concerns about women in frontline combat. I think that could be a very compromising situation where people naturally, may do things that may not be in the interest of the mission because of other types of emotions that are involved. And I think that's probably, it already happens, of course, with the camaraderie of men in combat, but I think it would be even more unique if women were in combat, and I think that's probably not in the best interest of men, women, or the mission.